Welcome to this video titled Drift Chatbot Review, Usage Experience. In this review, we'll go through the main features, usability, and overall experience of using Drift, and I've also included links to the product in the description below. Drift is a popular conversational marketing platform that focuses on providing automated solutions for customer support, lead generation, and sales. It is designed for businesses looking to optimize their customer interactions and improve conversion rates. Drift's primary feature is its chatbot, which can be integrated seamlessly into websites, mobile apps, and other digital touchpoints. The chatbot is highly customizable, allowing businesses to set up automated workflows based on specific user behaviors or queries. This helps businesses respond to potential customers immediately, rather than letting them wait for hours or days for a human response. One of the things I really appreciate about Drift is its ability to create personalized experiences through contextual conversations. For example, the bot can trigger specific questions or prompts based on the user's browsing activity, creating a more tailored interaction. Another strong feature of Drift is its integration with CRMs and other sales tools like HubSpot, Salesforce, and Marketo, which makes it easier to capture and manage leads. Drift also provides a robust analytics dashboard, offering insights into customer interactions, response times, and engagement metrics. This helps businesses make data-driven decisions and optimize their workflows over time. Drift is particularly beneficial for sales and marketing teams who want to automate conversations without sacrificing personalization. However, Drift does come with its drawbacks. It can be a bit pricey for smaller businesses or startups, especially when considering the premium features. Some users also mention that while the bot's automation capabilities are impressive, there may be a slight learning curve for those unfamiliar with conversational AI setup. In conclusion, Drift is a powerful chatbot solution that excels in delivering personalized customer interactions and integrating seamlessly into existing workflows. It's best suited for medium to large businesses focused on driving sales, customer engagement, and optimizing their support operations. If you want to see how Drift can boost your team's productivity and improve customer satisfaction, I highly recommend giving it a try. Links to Drift are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews.